welcome back to this series, Canva for Creative Education. So today I want to talk to you about two quick things having to do with the background of your projects, your slides, your handouts. There are two ways to help your background do exactly what you wanted to do. And so we're taking a look here at the handout from one of our previous videos, and we're imagining that we'd like to make this background a little more subtle. So one option for making this background more subtle is to go up here and look at this checkerboard tool. It says transparency. If you click on that, you can take your colors way down. You can make them a lot lighter. You can go all the way down until they disappear. So you can see that if you're overlaying text over an image or a paint splash like this one, being able to make it more transparent can be really helpful. Now, another thing that can be helpful, let's say, for example, you are going to have a second slide in your project where you're only showing half of this paint splash. And you can see that the background on the paint splash is not quite the same white as the background of our just like basic handout rectangle. And there's something you can do about that to make it a little more matchy. And you're going to click on your paint splash or your image, any image, and go up to Edit Image. And you can use this tool called the Background Remover. Now, I use this all the time, so I have it right here in my kind of most used tools. But if you don't, you can search for it under Effects. And I'm going to click it, and this usually takes a minute. And I'm going to wait for the magic. It is going to remove that slightly off-white background from behind my paint splash so that all I can see is the paint splash. Perfect. Now let's say I wanted to put that up here at the top and just make it really kind of blend in with my handout. Now you can see it's all one lovely matching white background. We don't have that kind of odd layering where you see the background of my image and the background of my shape. Now, if I want to combine this with my other tool that I just learned, I can also make it a little more transparent and I can get on with designing my handout from there. So keep these two tools in mind, making something more transparent or removing the background so that it blends in better with whatever else you are creating.